Hello everyone, this is Sam from DJQ Studios. In this video, I will give some tips about the mouse pointer on TechSmith Camtasia, about the changing mouse pointer size, and especially colors, which I did search and almost didn't find anything. So I decided to find by myself the solution. First of all, as you know, on Camtasia 2022 new version, you could scale your mouse pointer size. But the problem, at least was for mine on Windows 11, it still wasn't working with high quality. Another problem is, if I set my mouse pointer, search on Start menu mouse settings, I clicked on Adjust mouse and cursor size, I increased the size to 5, and change the color for my student be much more clear and visible, but sadly, only on 100% Camtasia gonna record it, something like that. And if I start increasing the size, it won't affect my mouse actually pointer. And also, you cannot change the color. To solve the problems, first, I highly recommend you to change the mouse pointer size at least 2, and then your high quality mouse pointer gonna be recorded. Secondly, how you could change the color of pointer. If I open the directory of mine, on drive C, which I installed the Camtasia, program files, search for TechSmith folder. Mine is 2022. We have a folder named Media, Studio, and Cursor. So Media, Studio, and Cursor. If you're using some older versions, on the native, you have Windows as an example, Windows 10 and of course 11. You could find and check the color, pointer colors, or any customization. Of course, you should close the Camtasia to replace them. But if you want to change for vector scalable, on the Media, Studio, and Cursor, we have a folder named Replacement. Open it and Windows. Now you will see some files which includes the JSON and PDF. These PDFs actually are your mouse pointers information. However, I changed mine and as you see is recorded, but you could do that. First, I prefer to have a copy for backup. So select the Windows one. If you're working with Mac, of course, you could copy that. On the Studio, Cursor, and Replacement, I copy that, right-click copy, and I paste inside of some folders. And keep in your mind, you could actually modify in two modes. You could do with Photoshop, which actually it is not anymore scalable because it is not vector. But I will show you very quickly how you could do that. As an example, I brought the hand one, hand.pdf. Look at here. Okay, hand. I'm gonna open with Illustrator. Let's do this. I'll select and change the color. Maybe under layers. All right. And change the color BBF100. All right, and there it is. Just save it, file and save. Okay, and if I replace it and reopen it, allow me to stop the Camtasia, replace the file, and of course you know how you could replace the file. Just simply select and copy. You don't need even copy the JSON file because it's information about the mouse pointer position. Copy, and again on the C program file, TechSmith, Camtasia 2022, which it is mine, Media, Studio, Cursor, Replacement on the Windows, and paste it here. Okay. Replace, but I think I have to close and reopen the Camtasia. Anyway, actually mine, it is not white anymore, it is green even on the record because I replaced and immediately it's gonna be replaced with everything. So you found the solution. On the directory, just open with Illustrator and change anything you want. And of course you could change even the shape of the pointer, however I do not recommend it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you later.